Good morning students. Today I am going to start our new topic unitary method. Our 8th exercise is going on. Today I taught you basis of unitary method. There I taught you in 3 cases of unitary method. Case first, the value of one unit otherwise things is given and it is required to find the value of more things. Then we do multiply. Beta, in you having cost of one thing suppose and ask to more things, then what you do? Multiply. For example, I give there one question also. If the cost of one notebook is rupees 10, find the cost of 5 notebooks. Then what you do? Cost of one notebook is rupees 10. Cost of 5 notebook is 10 into 5. Given 1 and asked to more, then what you do? Multiplication. Then 10 in 10 5 ja 50. Your answer is there. In second case, the value of more things. The value of more things given and it is required to find the value of one thing. Then we do divide. Then what you do? We do divide. Listen, suppose you having more things and asked to only one thing, then you do divide. For example, I give there one question. The cost of 5 pencil boxes is rupees 150. Find the cost of one pencil box. Given more and asked to 1. Then listen. Cost of 5 pencil boxes rupees 150. Cost of one pencil box rupees 150 divided by 5. Then do divide. Then how many will come? 30. That is your answer. In case of third, that is different from both first and second cases. That is different from first and both cases. That is the combination of both cases. There we do both operations. You do in that case multiply also and divide also. For example, your question is there. The cost of 5 kg rice is 5 kg rice is rupees 200. Find the cost of 4 kg rice. Then beta, how to find out? You given first the cost of 5 kg rice is 200 and again say find the cost of 4 kg rice. Then first you need of find out cost of 1 kg. Then you do easily find out cost of 4 kg. Then your answer is there. Cost of 5 kg rice is rupees 200. Cost of 1 kg rice, you having more and first you find out 1. Then what you do? You are knowing very well. You do divide. Then 200 divided by 5. You do divide. Then 5 4 ja 20. 4 ja and 0 same as it will. Rupees 40 your answer is there. And after saying in your question having find the cost of 4 kg rice, then thus the cost of 4 kg rice, you having 1 kg cost, then you find out any more you ask, then you find out easily because you do multiply there. You having 1 cost of 1 kg rice, then you find out easily cost of 4 kg. Then what you do? There which operation? Case of first. Then what you do? 40 multiply by 4. Then what will come? 0 same as it. 4 4 ja 16. Rupees 160 your answer. I think then you know very well what is the definition of unitary method. You don't know, then again one time I told you, in the unitary method we find the value of one thing from the value of given number of things. Given number of things, then we find the value of required number of things. You having suppose more things and asked to one thing, then you do divide. And you having one things and asked to more things, then you do divide. And both cases you having, then first you find out one thing cost and after you find out more things. Like that you solve. I think you got it very well.